welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys my Walgreens haul. Now, I got some good things to tell you guys. I will be doing a second haul this week because I did not get the coupons that I sometimes can get, and I just didn't get the right coupons, and some of the stuff was sold out at my store. So I will be doing a second haul. It all depends on when I get those coupons. I usually get them on Mondays, so it depends on if the mail service comes before I go to Walmart or if it comes after I go to Walmart. We'll see. So you guys might see a second haul for Walgreens either on Monday or Tuesday. So there's a couple items that I wanted to get to share with you guys on that. Yes. Another thing is, yeah, this ended up becoming a pretty decent haul. I ended up finding some stuff. I was still looking at all the Christmas stuff. Now, the Christmas stuff goes on sale at most stores this Tuesday. What is it? Today's the 6th, the 8th, to 70% off. So if you guys are eyeing up something and you still see it and it's 70% off, go for it, grab it, go for it. The store I had, some of the stuff was even marked down even more, but I'm not looking to buy anything Christmas. The only thing I really need is gift bags, but I'm going to wait till they hit 90% off, because once they hit 90% off, then I'll get them. I don't need them that bad, but I'll get it if it's 90% off. So, and CVS also hit 70% off today too, but again, I wait till it's 90% off because I don't really need that stuff, but I do need gift bags, so be prepared to see a video for that. But the first deal that you guys want to do is the trolley deal. Now, this is for the trolleys, the Now and Later, and what is it, Black Forest or whatever. These are $1.99. You guys would pay $1.99 for this. But then what you guys can also pay with points. So this deal, you can pay $2 in points and you guys will still get the $1.99 register reward. The only thing you guys cannot do is go back and do another transaction and pay with this register reward. You can't do it. It won't print. So do this deal. If you want to use points, go for it. I'm really trying to boost my points up, but I'd rather get register rewards and then save those for certain deals that you do get points for. So wanted to share with you guys with that deal. So those come absolutely free. So you can do that deal as many times as you guys want. I was going to do the Scott's toilet paper, but my store was completely sold out. I even asked, I'm like, hey, do you guys have any? No, we're sold out. So I'm like, okay. So I'll either go to a different store or I'll just wait until see if they got more back later this week. So we got that. Now, I did the Crest deal. Now, this isn't the greatest deal, but hey, if you guys are interested in doing something like this just to get some register rewards to use for something different, definitely do this deal. So the Crest toothpaste, the Oral-B toothbrushes, and the big size of the mouthwash. These are all $3.99. Now, we do have those dollar off coupons that are in the was it January P&G. So you guys use a $1 coupon for each. Now, if you don't want to buy toothpaste, you can buy 2 mouthwash and 1 toothbrush. You guys can mix it up. You just got to make sure you use not 3 of the same coupon. So let you guys know on that. But you guys would pay $8.97 for all 3 items. I know it's a little high, but you guys will get a $6 register reward when you buy all 3 items. Now, this is a deal also where you guys can pay with points and get the register reward. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. So your final price comes to be $2.97 or just 99 cents a piece. So if you guys have any like Catalinas where if you spend so much, you get so much points, definitely do that. Then you guys don't have to pay with points. But if you want to do this deal, you can. You can do this deal as many times as you want. Just do not use that register reward again to repeat it. So what you guys could do is you guys could buy the trolleys. Buy a couple trolleys. You do have to have filler items, so just giving you guys a heads up on that. So I usually find like chapstick or something on clearance. But you guys can do stuff like that and repeat that deal. So The next deal I got, now I was going to get a lot of shampoo and conditioner, but again, my store was...
Someone texted me.
Somebody texted you?
Someone texted me.
Who texted you?
Phone at my school.
Oh my god.
On your phone.
Okay. Okay. But I was going to do a lot of shampoo and conditioner, but again, I didn't get those coupons, so I'm going to go back and do those deals again because I really like stocking up on shampoo and conditioner, and that's something I really want to stock up on. The next deal I did was the Bic razors. Now, these are the Silky Touch. These are just the cheapies. These are buy one, get one 50% off. So these are $3.99. So buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use two $2 off coupons that we got in today's paper. You guys would pay $1.98 for this, but then you guys will get 2,000 points for buying 2 of them. And this is a deal again where you guys can pay with points and still get points. So wanted to share with you guys on this. I haven't bought these razors in forever. I used to have a whole box of these razors, but they haven't done those deals in a very long time, and I'm kind of missing them because I like getting stocked up on that stuff. Okay, so the next deal I got is the Life cereal. I actually really like this cereal. I don't like eating it with milk, but I just like eating it by itself. I find this is a great like snack food. So anytime I get a chance on a good deal like this, I usually get it just to snack on. But I usually take these to like work and just kind of snack on stuff while I'm at work. But these were on sale for $1.99. Now I did not find any coupons out there for this deal, but I'll still take it. Benjamin, no honey. So you guys would end up paying $1.99 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, and you guys can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you guys will get 16 points. Now, Fetch Rewards is my second favorite app. All you guys do is just scan your receipts and you get points. One thing I've noticed lately that they actually keep track of how much you spent last year and the year before that, because they started doing it about a year and a half ago, and then they keep track of how much you guys spent. Now, I was shocked at how much I spent for a whole year. Now, if you guys really think about it, all that is just they add on the tax. So if you guys spend like a couple cents here, a couple cents there, for what I spent on how much items I got, I think that is an awesome deal. So definitely do that. It keeps track of how much you guys spend at each store, so you guys kind of have an idea for that. It doesn't, you don't want to scan every place, but mostly like Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens, your grocery store. Just keep track of that, and it keeps track of that. But anyways, you guys click my referral link, you guys will get $2 once you guys click my link and download the app. And then you guys can actually start redeeming at 3,000 points, which is $3. So that's a pretty good deal. So this comes up to be $1.49. I like it. I think it's a pretty decent deal for $1.49. The next deal I got are these bath foam toys. Now we actually have one of these. I bought these for Ben a while back ago, and he plays with these all the time. And yes, I know I'm going through stuff to get rid of, but I actually have room for this in my bathroom. But for my daughter, I thought these would be great when she gets older. Plus the ones that Ben's been playing with are kind of getting a little gross. So by the time she's ready to play in the bathtub by herself, instead of us like holding her up and putting her in a little holder, I thought these would be great for her to play with and learn and everything. And for the price for these were $2.09, originally $6.99. I think that's a pretty good deal. So we already have the ABCs and the 1, 2, 3s, which I'm fine with getting another one. And then here are animal faces and shapes and everything. So I thought that was kind of cute. So these are kind of what I just got extra for that. I don't think I took a picture of it. I can't remember, but if I did, I'll submit it. But every store is different on these, but just wanted to share with you guys on that. And then the last deal I got is the Listerine Nightly Reset. Now, I tried printing a coupon from the Listerine website last night. Wouldn't let me do it. It said there's an error. I went to my other browser because I used 2 different browsers to print off coupons. Again, wouldn't let me do it. So I'm like, okay, I'm not going to do the Listerine deal. Then I was printing coupons from coupons.com, found out there's $1 off coupons on there, and I'm like, sweet. Then I also was looking at my inserts, found out there was $1 inserts for that too. So I'm like, sweet. So if this deal resets by the time I go shopping again tomorrow or Tuesday, I'm definitely doing this deal again. So the Listerine, now it's got to be the nightly reset. These are $5.99 a piece. Now there's a deal where if you spend 10, you get 5,000 points. Now this is a deal where you cannot pay with points, so do not pay with points. You can use a register reward, just make sure you guys have a filler item. So $5.99, you guys want to use 2 of those $1 off coupons that we got in today's paper or coupons.com. You guys would pay $9.98 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate times 2 on Ibotta. So that's $4 right there. You guys would end up also getting 5,000 points for spending over $10, so that's a pretty good deal. Sorry, Paris. So these end up becoming just 98 cents. That comes out to be like 49 cents a piece. I think that is a pretty good deal. I have yet to use this stuff. I've tried Listerine before, and it was like, oh no. But this is something that just kind of helps you, and it's supposed to help at night. It's supposed to help your teeth at night, and that's usually when I do mouthwashes before I go to bed. So got that. So I think that's a pretty good deal. Again, if that resets, I'm definitely doing that again. But yes, my total came to $17.37 for everything. I ended up getting $4.70 back with Ibotta. That was $4 for the Listerine, and I got 50 cents back for the Life, and then I had a 20-cent any receipt. I also got $7.99 back in a Catalina for that, plus I got a spend 20, get 5,000 points, so I'm going to definitely use that. And then I also got 7,000 points. Now I do know I got 5,000 points for the Listerine, and I got 2,000 points for the Bic, but then I got 3,000 points for something else, and I have no idea what I bought to get the 3,000 extra points. I don't know if I just had a perk or something. I don't know, but not a big deal. I'll take it anyways. That's an extra $3. And so if you add everything up, it came to be a $2.32 moneymaker. So I got everything for free, which I was pretty excited about. My cat just keeps walking around me, and I just want to pet her. But yeah, I'm just pretty excited for everything that I got. I'm definitely going to go back and do another haul because I want to get some shampoo, conditioner, the Scott's paper towel. I really want Ibotta to be a great month, you guys, for everything. So I'm going to do a lot of Ibotta deals as much as I can. So yeah, just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.